I made mango hot sauce recently and it truly smacks. So I thought, let's see how far we can push this thing. Strawberry hot sauce. We're lacto-fermented again, so we're going to need a 5% brine of water and fine sea salt, mixed together until the salt's dissolved and put to one side. Grab your chilli of choice and remove the stalks, cut in half. We're going to be blending them later, so no need for any fine chopping. Then grab yourself some sweet, delicious, plump strawberries, cut off the green tops and cut them in half. Once chopped, put them to one side. Smash and peel some garlic cloves, then put the strawberries, chilies and the garlic into a large jar, pushing everything together nice and tight. Pour in the brine to cover the chilies and strawberries, seal the jar tightly, and now we wait. Like and follow for part 2. I'm kidding. Ferment your strawberries and chilies for as long as you like. I did mine for about 2 weeks and it had that good tang, but it's down to personal taste. Once fermented, open the jar. Look at those bubbles. This thing is a hive of activity. Fermenting is awesome. Strain the strawberries and chilies through a sieve, reserving the brine. We're going to need that later on. These chilies are nice and soft now, and the strawberries spicy. Place everything into the blender with white wine vinegar, lime juice, and a splash or two of that brine. Then blitz everything together until smooth and add a little bit of olive oil just to thicken and mellow out that sauce. And that's it. Summer flavored hot sauce ready to bottle and give to everyone you love. Of course, I had to give it a little test run, so I warmed it up with a little butter, tossed it with some chicken wings, and enjoyed every one of those spicy bastards. So if you're a hot sauce lover, get involved because this one was a game changer. Make that sauce, coat those wings, and don't forget to like and follow.